GOCOM FRS Walkie Talkies. GOCOM two-way radios, your best choice for field survival. Walkie Talkies are the perfect way to stay in touch when out and about, whether at the playground, biking in the park, or enjoying a picnic. Walkie Talkies long range up to 16 miles communication range in open fields, provide 0.5 to 2 miles communication in built-up areas or obstructed conditions. 2,262 different combinations of channels. Walkie Talkies have 22 channels plus 121 sets of CTCSS tones, privacy codes. The continuous tone-coded squelch system gives you up to 2,662 combinations to help block other conversations. Intercom handset with great sound quality. Walkie-talkie earpiece with mic can let our walkie-talkie use in nosy place. The sound is loud and clear with adjustable volume level. Hands-free operation. 3 sensitivity levels for hands-free operation, easy voice and sound activation. Transmission, Vox. Danger quick alarm. 1 key can quickly alarm your friends or family when you are in danger. Package include 2x walkie-talkies, 2x belt clips, 1x dual USB line, 2x mic earpiece, 6x AA battery, 1x user's manual.